Hi everyone! Nandito kami sa Anantara, Abu Dhabi. Yun yung hotel. Anantara Hotel Resort, Abu Dhabi. And we would like to thank you. Yung sponsor kasi ito na napanaluhan ni Mos. Ano yung napanaluhan mo sa Tag 91? Bagong gising kasi. So ano yon 91?
91 Pinoy talaga.
Oh, Tag 91.1 Pinoy talaga. Salamat dito. And ito yung magiging vlog natin, yung buong Anantara. So dito namin pinark yung sakyan namin. After traveling from Dubai, ang supposedly mga 1 hour lang to kung mabilis, pero since we travel with leisure tsaka family safety, inabot tayo ng mga ilang 2 oras, no?
1.5.
1.5 hour yun. Talagang
and
ano lang,
strict on the speed limit here.
so dito kami kay ma'am. Can you introduce
Leona
yourself?
po. Leona.
Siya yata yung manager dito.
Apo.
So, ito yung aming voucher. Ito yung aming voucher from courtesy of Tag 91.1 Pinoy talaga. Hi. So, ito yung place, ito yung lobby ng Anantara. Yung mga anak ko kasi kagigising pa lang. Oh, pero sabi niya sa akin, mamaya sila raw mag-vlog. So, ito yun, pagpasok mo, doon kami nag-check-in. So,
Thank you kay Madam.
thank you again sa Tag 91.1 Pinoy talaga. And also, thank you rin sa kanilang manager na si Madam. Pinay rin. Talagang very supportive. Talagang in-assist talaga kami.
I will show you the view here down sa loob.
Wala. Nothing in my side. You can walk fast, right?
Enjoy? What's our room number?
357.
The lucky number.
357.
Oh, wala. That's a gym. Where's Mama? Mama, where are you? Oh,
I have my card.
let Kuya. Oh, si Kuya. Kuya, bring your face. Kuya. Sige. Bring your things. Sige, una ka. Pasok ka. Sam, hold the door, ha? Oh, sige, pasok. Oh, sige, pasok. Pasok, Sam. Ako na hawak.
Is there a welcome key?
Kaya mo ka ng isang card.
Card?
Oh, pakisaksak dito, anak. Okay. So, may lobby rito. Pero is it allowed to open? Dear, while you're opening the door, will switch off the air conditioning system on to reactivate. So, nakalagay rito, kung saan binuksan natin, mamamatay yung AC natin. Pero it's allowed naman, maganda yung view niya. So later, bubuksan natin to at dun tayo sa labas. Sa ngayon mainit, so dito lang muna tayo sa loob and we're preparing. Okay. Confirm muna natin.
What do you mean clear?
The cash box again.
So, ito yung washroom or CR, no? Ganda. May bathtub. Napakaganda. Tapos may salamin pa. So, parang ano to? Parang second honeymoon. Tapos ang ganda. Tapos ito yung CR, bukod yung kanyang paliguan.
It's extra clean.
Oh, extra clean.
I like the design of separate door or
At least pwede magsabay. Yung isa, nagbabawash. Yung isa, naglilinis. Tapos meron pa siyang halaman na ganda.
Thank you, Tag 91.1. We're already here in Tanatara na room, enjoying.
Sam?
Yes.
How about you?
Thank you.
bigyan natin ang tignan mo na layo ng biyahe dito.
So this is the balcony.
Ano kuya?
This is the balcony.
Okay.
That's the seat. Just like you can eat it there. That's like the pool.
Ito yung pool niya sa baba. Oo. Galing ano?
Playground there.
May playground. Oo.
Yeah.
Yan. Yun ang looban. O, yun si Sam.
Hi, and now we're outside the hotel, and you can see there's a playground there. And I didn't play billiard there.
May billiard pa. Tapos may table tennis. Tapos eto, katabi siya ng pool area. So, eto yung pool area. Maganda yung pool area niya. So, yun. Ang room namin, andun sa itaas. Ayun.
Yeah. Yes.
Malalim ba, Sam?
No.
Oh. Pag abot mo pa ng paa, abot mo, sige nga. Yan, nakatayo ka. Oh, yan, maganda. Tapos maganda yung pool niya. Oh. Pag nakadip ka ron, parang infinity siya. Oo. Galing, ano? Boss.
Hi, we're now in the pool.
3, 2, 1, go!
And the pool opens from 7 o'clock morning until 8 o'clock afternoon.
Evening.
Yeah, evening.
And tomorrow, plano natin bumalik ng...
We're gonna eat breakfast.
Oo.
Stay here at 7 o'clock.
Oo.
It's nice one. Baba, join us.
Okay, so balik tayo bukas ng 7, then breakfast, ha? Okay? Oh, kids, anong dinner natin?
Jollibee.
Yung ba order nyo? Spaghetti. Itong favorite ng mga anak ko. It's okay, anak. Maubos mo naman yung tubig. So, don't worry about the cup. Oh, sa'yo, Sam, anong kinakain mo?
Spaghetti, and then I'll eat rice with gravy and chicken. But I like and pie. But I also like rice with gravy.
Sige lang, kain lang ng kain. Oo. Kasi, syempre, dito medyo hotel price to. Kaya, umorder na lang kami. Sinalubog na lang namin sa entrance. So, talabat. It's allowed naman. Verify namin yon. So, medyo nakatipid tayo. So, ito rin itsura ng room. O, ayan na. Nag-swimming sila kanina. Tapos, balik kami bukas ng 7 to 8 o'clock. So, maximum 9. Then, magba-breakfast kami. So, see you tomorrow.
Bye.
For now.
Hi pictures and like night vision.
Can you show us?
It already came.
Nice, huh?
And we just went down from our hotel, and we're in the ground floor.
Oh. Okay, pakita mo, anak.
So this is like where can I sit or relax?
And there's a mystery place there. That
Ano ba yung mystery place na
I
yon?
don't know.
Doon tayo magbe-breakfast. Yun ang breakfast natin.
Then why not go inside? There's still some people sitting there. Can I kiss you? It's really hard.
Morning.
What is that?
Yes, I asked you.
Bacon?
Bangus. Ay, lalabas
Where
ako
are we?
dito.
Where are we now?
Here, I'm going here.
Where are we now?
We're going
Oh,
in
is this
here.
a skincare room? Yes, my mom would like to have huh?
And this is late night walking. Wait, natuhan sa...
Dito lang yung
Almost. Next there we are. This is the ingredients. I think we will have breakfast here tomorrow. Oh, I think this is what Baba likes.
bate.
A full moon! A moon! Can I touch it?
No,
It's a Japanese, I think so.
why did you touch it? No, I want that.
Literally fabric. Happy hour? What's happy hour?
Korean.
Morning! Magandang umaga sa inyo. Andito kami ngayon sa balcony. 7 o'clock. Dito yung mga leisure. Pwede kayong mag-kayak, mag-boating. Nagpunta kami rito kagabi. Yung sa lugar na yon may mga bar. Yan. Yung sa papunta ron. May maraming mga bar doon. Tapos chinek namin yung price doon sa boating. Mga 250 per 30 minutes. Tapos yung 1 hour is nasa 400. Yan. Tapos 8 o'clock pa yata ang bukas ng pool. Siguro yung naunahin namin, tapos breakfast afterwards. Ito yung sa pambata, yun yung kagabi. Yan. So naglilinis pa lang sila. Mga 8 o'clock yan, magbababa na yung mga guests. Good morning! Nandito na kami sa pool. O Sam, choose your place na. Gusto nyo ba yung kahapon or yung bago? Ikaw naman kuya, tanungin mo. May nakaupo na doon sa first and second. Baka eto. Kuya, tanungin mo kung po pwede to. Ayun o, lapitan mo anak. So ito yung ano natin, piliin natin. O sige anak. Bro, this is available?
Yeah, it's available.
Yeah, okay.
You can just send me your number.
Kuya, write the details because they need the log, the room number, the name. Thank you, bro. It's okay. You'll be the one to write the details,
All right, no problem.
It's okay, bro. We'll be the one to do it.
Sorry?
Yeah. We'll put this in, ha? Yeah, we'll put this in, ha? Yeah, the curtain, ha?
Okay,
Oh,
the curtain.
Moss, write the details, ha? It's okay, it's okay. We'll do it.
No problem.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, Sam, anong gagawin dito, anak? Para hindi tayo mainitan, ha?
Should I put it here?
Pwede. Pwede o kaya doon, anak, para hindi nainitan. Kasi sasakitan siya natin yan. Kuya, kumuha ka pa ng tubig?
No, he just gave it to me.
Water. Ito na yung pinaka main pool niya. Kung makikita nyo doon sa dulo, may parang infinity pool siya, no? So, Moss, say hi! So hanggang saan lang tubig? Hanggang dyan lang. Pare-pareho yan yung deep niya. So kahit magpunta ka ron, ganun pa rin yung deep niya. So safe na safe sa bata. Ito yung nakita natin from the lobby ng room natin. So maganda talaga siya, malinis yung tubig, well maintained. Nakalagay dito, no diving, 1.25 meters ang kanyang depth. Moss, swim ka naman. Kids, pakita nyo naman yung natutunan nyo. Sige na.
What?
Mag-swim ka anak. Di ba marunong ka mag-swimming? Pakita mo.
Wait, I'm down there. Get up here.
Di ba you know how to swim? Show it.
What?
You know how to swim, right?
Yeah.
O show it.
Okay.
Galing, galing naman ako. Anak, say hi naman sa coach nyo.
Hi.
O, ano pangalan ng coach nyo?
Rodel.
Oh, say hi, Coach Rodel.
Hi, Coach Rodel.
Oh, ikaw, anak. Oh, say hi kay Coach.
Hi.
Ano pangalan ng coach mo?
Coach Rodel.
Okay.
I'm Spider-Man. I'm Spider-Man.
Gun!
Oh, kids, oh. Oh, masarap pa yung tubig.
Mom, is it like
Yeah.
Ang maganda kasi sa tubig dito, unang-una malinis. Tapos control yung temperature. Hindi siya malamig, hindi siya mainit. So kahit ganitong oras, hindi siya normally kapag walang heater, talagang malamig. Pero this time tama na yung temperature. Tsaka pare-pareho yung lalim niya, yung depth niya. So dito, hanggang dito pa rin. Oh, kids, ano gagawin natin after this one?
breakfast?
Breakfast na.
And then flip.
I'll see you later. Oh, kids. Oh, doon tayo.
What?
Doon tayo.
Watch me.
Please. Please, I cannot breathe.
Watch me.
Watch me, watch me, watch me.
Watch me first.
Come on, watch me.
Ay, anak, namamasa ka.
Oh, hi! Andito na kami sa breakfast. So, kompleto na kami. Andito na yung kids, andito na si Michelle. At kakusapin natin yung isa sa mga staff dito. Oh, anong oras ba to?
Yung breakfast po, 10:30 a.m.
Until
Ay,
10:30.
6:30 hanggang 10:30.
But it's Saturday, so until...
Ganun din po.
ganun pa rin. Okay, okay. So, ang ganda rito, no?
Opo.
Wow, talagang enjoy. Oo. O sige, see you ah.
Sige po,
Oh,
salamat.
anong name mo? Bago
Camille
sabihin.
po, Camille.
Okay, hi Camille.
Thank you po.
Oh, anak. Wow. Oo, nuggets ng... Huwag ka na kumuha niya, anak, kasi marami tayo niya sa bahay. Ibahin mo naman, ha? Okay? O, enjoy mo lang,
Kaya
ha?
may egg curry. Parang chicken curry.
Oh, egg curry, oh. Ito naman yung diet, yung order ko. Ayun yung kay Sam. So, maganda yung ano nila, yung dining nila. Yeah. So, ito yun. Shell, ito yung turkey. Sarap siya. Meron din siya dito. Malaki yung area niya. gusto natin magpa-request ng lulutuin, doon pwede. Ito naman yung mga juice. Andito yung mga bread. Malaki yung dining area niya. Sam, go ahead.
Babaksak mo lang, no.
Oh, Sam, is it easy? Sam?
It will come back. No, don't put. It will come out. Let me see, it will toast.
It doesn't look like it.
It's good.
Hard.
Yung purutin mo lang, tapos gano'n mo. Sige. Yan, okay. Wow, good service
Opo. Hindi po kasi tinatanong pag may mga bata.
Ito po si Madam, very attentive po. Talagang binigyan pa kami ng hot chocolate. Thank you thank you.
Pag may gusto po, tawagan niyo na lang po.
Tatawagan ko kayo sa ano. Oh, Sam. Sam, say hi. Talagang busy. Oo. Sa akin, tapos na ako. Oh, so, extended kami rito until 2 o'clock. So, an complimentary extension. So, after this, siguro magpapahinga. Tapos, mamaya merong pupuntahan. Okay. Ano yan, kuya?
It's like honey from the hive.
Oo nga, no? Tingnan mo, talagang galing pa talaga siya, no? O, tapos eto, halimbawa gusto mo talagang kumuha nung, pwede mong kutsarahin, ano? Pwede ba? Oo nga, no? Pwede, no? Talagang fresh talaga. Kanina nga, may nakita pa akong bee na bubuyog na na lumilipad-lipad So, papasok kami sa gym. So, ito yung gym kids. Let's go!
And we're not gonna work out.
Yeah, we're not going to work out. Just to check the gym. Yung design niya, mga bike. Gusto ko sana mag-gym, kaso kumain na kami. And eto na yung end ng vlog namin for this Anantara. And yung mga treadmills and weights. So, basically napunta na natin lahat. Kids! Oo.
Apple!
Kasi maganda rito yung pool area nila. Yung gym maganda rin. Yung breakfast natin na napakita na natin. Oh, kids, paalam na tayo. This will be the end of our vlog. Oh, Sam?
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh, subscribe daw. Oh.
See you in your next vlog. And thanks again for the hotel. Tag 91.1. Pinoy talaga.
Oh, yung tag 91.1, Pinoy talaga. And thank you also kay Madam Leona and kay Camille. Oh, sige. See you! kuya?